Welcome to this lesson. Now in this video, we are going to learn about writing diverse prompts. So by now we have learned that prompts are quite powerful, and if you write them with the right ingredients and structure, you can learn how to get the best out of the AI models. So in short, prompts can help you achieve all sorts of tasks, but knowing how to write them effectively is the key to getting the best results. Now let's look at types of prompts with examples. Imagine text summarization. Imagine condensing an entire article or book into a few key sentences. That's the magic of text summarization prompts. These prompts help you generate a brief summary of a longer text, capturing the main points and key ideas. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to give us a brief summary of a passage. So this is the passage. It says electric cars are gaining popularity due to their eco-friendly nature and so. Here, I'm asking ChatGPT to generate a brief summary of this paragraph. Now, once I run it, ChatGPT summarizes the text for this passage. Next, we have information extraction. Now, information extraction prompts are all about pulling specific details from a text, and these prompts help you identify and extract relevant information, making it easier to find key data points. For example, let's look at this prompt. Extract the names of scientists and their contributions from the following text. The text says Marie Curie was a pioneer physicist and chemist who discovered radium and polonium. Albert Einstein developed the theory of relativity, revolutionizing theoretical physics. Nikola Tesla invented the alternating current, AC, electrical system. Now, my prompt says that I want to extract the name of scientists and just their contributions. So once I do that, ChatGPT gives me the output in this structure. Marie Curie discovered radium and polonium. Albert Einstein developed the theory of relativity. So over here, information extraction happens, and this is a perfect example of an information extraction prompt. Question and answers. Now these prompts are designed to generate responses to questions, making them perfect for chatbots, customer service, and more. So you ask a question and the model provides the answer. So let's say we ask ChatGPT, what are the main ingredients in a classic margherita pizza? So it says a classic margherita pizza typically includes the following main ingredients: pizza dough, tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese, along with of course, the details, fresh basil leaves, olive oil, and salt. Next, we have text classification. Now the text classification prompts categorize text into predefined classes or categories. This could be for sentiment analysis, spam detection, topic classification, and more. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to classify the following review into positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. So basically, I'm just leaving it to the AI model to detect the sentiment out of this sentence or review. So ChatGPT says the sentiment of the review is positive. And if you look at the review, it says, I absolutely love this new smartphone. The camera quality is stunning and the battery life is impressive. Highly recommended. So it means that the customer is happy, so the review is positive. Translation. Now translation prompts convert text from one language to another, as we have seen on Google Translate as well. And this is incredibly useful for breaking down language barriers and communicating across cultures. Now let's look at this prompt. So the source text is Estoy aprendiendo a programar en Python. So here I'm asking ChatGPT to translate the following text from Spanish to English. Now I know many of you have already guessed it, but still, let's see what ChatGPT has to say. It says, I'm learning to program in Python. Next, we have code generation. Now, code generation prompts are fantastic for writing or completing code. Whether it's a function, class, or entire program, these prompts can automate coding tasks and spark innovative solutions. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to write a function in JavaScript to calculate the factorial of a number. So if I run it, it is going to write the whole code for me as well as explain what is happening in the code. Pretty impressive. Now next, we have reasoning. Reasoning prompts require the model to apply logical thinking to solve problems and understand relationships. Now these are perfect for decision making and problem solving tasks. For example, if I ask ChatGPT to determine if the following statement is true or false, if a number is divisible by 4, it is also divisible by 2. Now, what I'm asking ChatGPT or an AI model to do is to reason through the logical thinking whether the statement is true or false. Now here, I'm leaving everything on ChatGPT. And now, ChatGPT explains that why the statement is true. And there's a fair explanation to that. A number n is divisible by 4, and if n is equals to 4, k for some integer k, this can be rewritten as n is equals to 2 by 2k, which shows that n is also divisible by 2, since 2k is an integer. So therefore, any number divisible by 4 is also divisible by 2, which is common sense. But what ChatGPT has done is, it has explained logically and rationally by understanding the problem first. Now to summarize everything, we have learned about text summarization, information extractions, question and answers, text classification, translation, code generation, and reasoning. So this is just a start of what these models are capable of. But the only condition is that your prompts need to be effective to get the best results. So I hope this video made sense. I'm going to see you in the next lesson. Till then, keep learning and of course, keep practicing.